to my channel. This is Varus. Today, you're gonna be watching this video. Subscribe and like, don't miss every single episode. So today we're gonna be singing challenge part 2. And yeah, I love singing. I'm not singing, I don't know. So I just learned the scars so you're beautiful. I mean, it's awesome. I just heard it. I just heard it and I was like, oh my gosh, this sounds beautiful. I mean, Mom, can you teach me how to do it? And my mom said, okay, wait. And I should just, I think I'll do it by my own. Search it and then sing it. Now I know. Okay. But it's literally karaoke. Alright, start.
So definitely,
okay, it's gonna be ASAP. She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limit. She craves attention. She praises an image. She prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the light that's shining deeper than the eyes can find it. Maybe we'd made her blind, so she tries to cover up her pain and cut her woes away. 'Cause cover girls don't cry after their face is made. But there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No scars to you're beautiful, we're stars, so we're beautiful. Oh, oh, and you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No scars to you're beautiful, we're stars, so we're beautiful. She has her dreams to be an envy, so she starving, cover girls eat nothing. She says beauty is a pain and there's beauty in everything. With a little bit of hunger, I can go a little while longer. She fades away. She said, see her perfect. She don't wonder that she's worth it, or that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Oh, oh. So to all the girls that hurting, let me be your mirror. Help yourself a little bit clearer. The light that shines within, there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No scars, so you're beautiful, we're stars, so we're beautiful. Oh, oh, and you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No scars, so you're beautiful, we're stars, so we're beautiful. Nobody doing that yet, you are. Can't do that. Nobody life than the life we're living. Nobody time for you, shine, you're a star. Beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No scars, so you're beautiful, we're stars, so we're beautiful. Oh, oh, and you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No scars, so you're beautiful, we're stars, so we're beautiful. And yeah, thank you so much. Now it's time to go with the next one. I don't know what it is. But guys, let me find some more songs that I knew. So actually,
Yes, I think
See you guys later. I'm finding new songs, thanks. And guys, I finally got the new song that I got, but it's actually old song for me, but I still remember it. Make sure to click the subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up, and I will be uploading the Who Knows Me Better if you subscribe. Like down right here, like scroll down now. Yeah, now, it's starting now. Like right now. Something will happen to you if you don't do it. I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. That for me. I need a little bit higher. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one theirs to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to the world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see. To the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. A million dreams, a million dreams. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. So actually it's done. So we need a last song. Ooh. We need a high voice song from now on. Fight song. Wait. Guys, as you can see, I miss Lemon. He died. It's Gian's bird. And I miss Smurfette that he flew away. So I really have to sing memories. Because you know why? So my cousin has his own family. And I have my own family. But we're families. But actually, when my mom got to the hospital, I just lived with my cousin's family, Gian. Actually, when we get there, Lemon died. When Lemon died, when we were about to sleep, Ivan and I sing memories. When I was singing, I was like crying. So actually, I'm gonna be singing for Lemon and Smurfette. And you don't know about cats, but it's our bird. But cat's cousin, the bird, just died. I mean, like, you know, two birds that died from Gian and one bird for me that flew away. So I really have to sing memories. Sorry. I'm not even crying right now. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, cause the drinks swim back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones that today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believe in forever and everything will stay the same. My heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything is good, alright. Going through stress and say, hey, here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, cause the drinks bring back good memories of everything we'd been through. Toast to the ones of today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back good memories. And the memories bring back. Memories bring back. Memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost. When I felt all the dread, I was terrible to stop. My heart feel like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, that you know I'll never drop. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. Everything will be alright. Go and get your dust and say, hey, here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we'd been through. Toast to the ones of today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back. 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 Memories bring back, yo. So actually that's the end. So actually give this video a big thumbs up if you didn't see that video that you listened to. I remember the time. I remember a time then we were together maybe, and I can't reach out to call you. That's true. That happened that I can't reach out to call you. Smurfette was in the top. I was in a chair like, Smurfette, come here. Smurfette like that, so I can't reach out to call you. So this is gonna be end of the video. I think I'm gonna make a part 3. So yeah. See you guys in my next vlog. Please subscribe.